Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the hotspot on your phone and opening Wi-Fi on your laptop. This establishes the direct link needed to share cellular internet. Once done, check your data plan limits so you avoid surprise throttling or charges, and make sure both devices have enough battery to stay connected. You should also note or copy the hotspot name and password. This saves time when you pair. These steps remove friction and prevent mid-setup interruptions. You now connect. Choose the phone's SSID from the laptop's Wi-Fi menu and enter the password, which authenticates and creates the secure link. If you prefer, use USB tethering for lower latency or Bluetooth for minimal power use. Each method changes setup slightly, but achieves the same result. Once connected, set the laptop network profile to private if you want local device access. This controls firewall behavior and makes printing or file transfer possible. Keep an eye on signal strength and data. You finish by testing internet access, load a web page, or run a quick speed check to confirm stability and performance. Once satisfied, close unused apps that consume bandwidth and disable the hotspot to save battery and prevent accidental data use. If the laptop won't connect, restart both devices, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, and then rejoin the network. This clears cached errors. If problems persist, try USB tethering or verify carrier hotspot settings to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.